Hi, today we're going to crop an image. So this is our sample image from Unsplash. So simple cropping muna tayo. So you have to select this image, left click and then right click. You will see this crop image. Click mo lang yan, or you can also go to properties. There. While nakaselect yung image, makikita mo tong crop image sa right panel. And then just hit left click. Yan. You will see the sliders dito sa gilid. So, hold left click and then drag your mouse para gumalaw or mag-move. Ito, you can also do this sa side. Crop na muna natin siya. Yan. You can click apply or just hit enter. Tada! So, naka-crop na siya. Save nyo lang, file, export as. Gawin muna natin siyang square. You can save as JPEG or PNG. Kung ano yung preferred nyong type ng file. So, JPEG muna tayo and then export. So, dito naman sa options, you can set the quality to medium, high, or maximum, or low. And then dito sa resolution, since hindi ko naman siya gagamitin, or sample lang naman ito, so hindi ko na babaguhin yung settings. But then, kung magpiprint ka, ang resolution, recommended na iset mo siya as high as 300 ppi para mas malinaw. Then, pero kung, for example, gagamitin mo lang siya for social media, pwede na ang 72. So, depende naman yan kung anong mas preferred mo or kung ano yung gusto mong result. And then, just hit OK. So, yon. Double check natin. So, there. Ito na yung square na clean up natin. Nakasave siya as JPEG or JPG. There. So, next, ang itatry naman natin. So, back lang muna tayo. Ayan. Itatry natin yung clipping mask. Paano mag-crop using clipping mask. So, we're going to use this ellipse tool. Using the ellipse tool, you have to hold left click and then drag your mouse. But then, since napapansin nyo, hindi siya yung perfect circle. So, kung gusto nyo perfect circle, while holding the left click and dragging, hold nyo rin yung shift. Hold shift key. So, there. Perfect circle na siya. So, let's say, yan. Ganyan. So, para makita nyo yung nasa loob or maging transparent to, pag palitin nyo na lang to. Ito yung fill, ito yung stroke. So, swap lang natin. Yan. Para makita natin kung nasaan. And then, use the selection tool to drag the circle. Select all. Yan. Right click and then make clipping mask. You can also select object and then clipping mask, make. There. So, circle na siya. So, for example, na gusto nyong change yung location or yung position ng dog, ng image sa loob. So, click nyo lang ito, itong pinaka-image. And then, left click, drag the image. Let's say, gusto nyo na nakaganyan or ganito. Yan. So, pwede yan. That's the advantage of using clipping mask for cropping an image. So there. So for example, yan na yung gusto nyo, and then gusto nyo nang i-export. Kung gusto nyo kasama itong white background, so isa-set nyo siya as JPEG. Export, let's say this circle, JPEG. Then hit OK. So mapapansin nyo, may white background ang square. Naka-square kasi since yung kung ano yung shape ng circle nyo, yun din yung magiging shape ng circle or nung background. Pero kung gusto nyo yung circle lang, then transparent yung or mawala yung white background. So i-export natin siya as PNG. Sorry. Set natin siya as PNG and then export. So, ito naman, let's say, for example, kailangan nyo naka-PNG, pero kailangan nyo may white background. So, ito yun. Pwede nyo i-change to as white or black yung background, pero naka-PNG file siya or PNG type yung image. Pero since mas preferred natin yung transparent, so hit OK. And then the result will be like this. Ta-da! So there you have it. I hope you learned something useful. You may comment down below if you have questions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be updated with my new videos. Bye!
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it